Hello guys and welcome to the club into the tech. Before starting the video, I would like to give a message. In Fiverr, you can buy graphic designs made from real person for your budget. And let's start the video. When editing, some softwares are really expensive, but this software is totally free and you can work it with even online. Visit www.pixlr.com. When it loaded, you can see an interface like this. There are three choices: Pixlr Quick and Easy Designs, Pixlr Advanced Photo Editor, Photomask Studio, One-Click Visual Creator. In it, I recommend to use Pixlr X, which is not advanced and easy to use. Now you can see an interface like this. I recommend to use a photo got by your camera of phone, or to use an image on Google, and it's needed to have an image which is have even HD quality. This video is about the adjust and filtering of image. So you can see an interface like this when you click the adjust column, and there are more features in it. Auto is look like this, and black and white look like you can see more columns in it. The color you can change, like here in a bar. Change it until you get the image it's perfect for your design. Editing, and only color and light is essential to edit. The brightness and exposure, other things are really not needed, but if you need, you can edit it. I think it's needed to add the vignette to the image, and from cutout you can, if you need, you can cut your image as you need it. And by clicking the save, you can save it as a document or even PNG, which is I recommend to use PNG because it's high quality and perfect for graphics designs. By clicking save as, you can save it to any desktop file as you need it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to add your edited image into our community. The link of our community link is in the description. You can click and go to our community, and you can post your edited image and also original image into that. We'll send you more tips and tricks about to create your image like a professional.
Studio.